It's tectonic plates.
Look at the little houses over there. It's so pretty. Turn around. We're walking in the snow.
I've never been this cold in my life. I can't feel my face. See like that inside of that crater.
What are we doing, Rye?
Watching that easy go.
Do another. Can you feel the mist from the waterfall? Right?
It's so pretty.
Right. What do you think?
Very, very pretty.
Yeah? It's cold. We are walking.
Whoa.
So slippery. Be careful. We're walking
a slippery ass crater.
on top of the volcano. And it's cold. And it's slippery. And it's icy. How is it?
It's so nice.
You were skeptical about this.
Oh, it's so nice. Cheers.
Cheers. How does a beer taste?
Tastes like beer.
Are you? How do you like the blue lagoon?
Oh, this is really fun. It's a giant hot tub. Blue giant hot tub.
So pretty.
Oh, look at over there.
Woo. With the sunset?
Yeah.
Rate this experience.
10. You look like a monster.
Thanks. It's turning like purple almost.
Yeah. It's getting darker, I think.
Keep going.
To the black sand beach. Oh, right there.
Oh, wow.
This is so unique with the ice.
Yabo. Say hi.
Check this out.
Oh, wow.
Hungry.
With the view. Babe, where are we? We're walking to a cliff and it's white everywhere. It's beautiful. With the sun shining through.
It's amazing. This is like Hawaii, but hella cold.
Covered in snow.
See that?
Uh-huh. That's some crazy waves.
How can a frog say that?
We're on our way to the glaciers.
Oh, look at that glacier right there.
Oh, It's right there.
You see it?
Oh. This is so gorgeous.
It looks like a candy. Careful.
Oh. The glaciers. How was your glacier experience?
Very cold.
Why is everything just cold?
Very blue.
I know, it's so blue in real life, but it looks so dark in the pictures. This is our walkout of the glaciers. You can see the full rainbow in this one. Huh? It's a full rainbow. Can you see it?
Yeah, it's amazing.
Wow.
Can you see it on your GoPro?
Yeah, look at it. Can you see?
Yeah.